Hey everyone, it's Jenny and the bestie.
What's up?
And in honor of Valentine's Day, we shall do our Ipsy unbagging for Galentine's Day.
Yay.
Check that out.
Besties.
So this is February Ipsy bag. February's Ipsy bag for 2018.
Are you surprised it's not silk? I really thought it was going to be silk, but it's like suede velveteen kind of.
It's suede velveteen. When I first saw this, I immediately said it looks like a pair of panties. But it's cute. I wish the lace detail would have been on the back of the bag. Yeah. But it's cute. I mean, I'll definitely repurpose this somehow.
I like the zipper pull because it's kind of rubbery.
Rubbery.
It's a fun texture.
It's a fun texture.
You can squish it.
It's a circle.
Round.
Says Ipsy. Round. All right. So, let's see one of your items. I think for the first time we only got one item.
One thing in common.
Yeah. We usually get like 3 or 4.
I'll show my favorite one.
Her favorite.
Yeah, we just about get most of the same stuff every time, so it was neat to be different this time. So this is, I'll show the box too. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Lychee and Gold blush. So this can also
Lychee
be
and
used
gold.
as a blush topper. If you have like a matte blush, you can put it over top.
Yeah, I do like a blush topper.
And it actually smells really good because it's made with natural ingredients. It's got like ginger and mangosteen in it. And this is what it looks like in the pan. It's really pretty in person. Like it swatches out really nice. I've got ink and all kinds of stuff on my hand.
It's work life.
Work life. That's it right there. It's just a really pretty kind of a natural sort of flush and
a natural flush of color.
Yeah, and I'm so pale. I'm really light complected. Can't tan to save my life, so I think it'll still show up really nice on my pasty white winter skin.
So that's a good one. My first item,
of course,
is a facial mask.
Of course.
Which I love facial mask. And this is the primer Prep the Skin for a Flawless Makeup Application. This is by Biobelle. And they actually sent 2 in here, which I thought was pretty cool. Usually when Ipsy sends you face masks, you usually always get 2. So,
I love that they do that.
2. 1 for me and 1 for my Galentine. Yay.
That's neat because it's a pre-treatment.
It's a pre-treatment, yeah.
That's neat. So, keeping with the theme of masks, I love wash-off masks a whole lot. I just like putting goop on my face.
See, I like a sheet mask better, but I do
just pull
use
it and toss it.
Yeah, but I do like a wash-off mask.
I guess I just like the feel of like scrubbing on my skin.
It feels like it's deep cleaning.
But this is, I thought the tube was really cute. This is a Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin. It's a detoxifying pink clay mask.
Ooh, is it pink? Do we know? Have you tried it?
It says pink clay, so I would assume it's still got the seal on it. But
so she hadn't tried it.
Let's see if I can see it. Yeah, it's kind of pink if you look inside the tubey.
In the tube.
It's kind of got a lemon sort of smell.
Yeah, it does have a lemon.
So I hope that works really well. I know I've got a lot of toxins in my skin because winter is hard on me.
Does a number.
And I know you've had a time coming from 2 different climates.
Yeah.
Too, with your vacation.
I was getting some textured stuff on my skin. I usually don't have that issue, but it's clearing up, so that's good.
Yay!
Yay! Now let me see what is. Oh, we didn't even mention that it's unzipped.
Unzipped
is the theme.
Be your best self.
All right. I will talk about a lippy that they sent. This is from Ofra. I'm trying to pronounce that. Ofra, not Oprah.
You get a lippy, and you get a lippy.
This is in Ipsy Unzipped, which I'm wearing it. It's faded. I've had it on for 8+ hours. It's held up nice.
Did you reapply it all today?
Didn't reapply.
You didn't reapply?
Didn't reapply. So it's faded, but it held up quite nice.
The tint is good, though. It leaves a really nice tint.
A nice tint.
Once it's worn for a while.
And there is a code. It says Ipsy30 for 30% off Ofra Cosmetics. I'll put that in the description box below. Hopefully everybody can use it.
Ooh. I've got a highlighter I've gotten from this brand before.
IPY or Ibby?
Is it Ibby? IPY?
I call it IPY.
Ibby Beauty.
Ibby Beauty.
It's 24 Karat Magic. That's actually the name of the shade. I'm going to put my pinky ring to the moon. That's what it says,
wow.
right?
Wow.
And this box is hard to get it out of, but
I do like the packaging.
Yeah, the compact is really cute, and it kind of like, it matches the same color as the bag.
Matchy.
And it's kind of, you know, just sort of a
It kind of reminds me of Becca Cosmetics.
Yeah, sort of like, maybe like Opal. A little bit like Opal from
yeah.
Becca. But it looks sort of dark in the pan, but once you swatch it, my worky, inky hands right here.
Got a little bit of glow.
It's really average, and I'm not saying that in a bad way. It's average in that you can use it, I think, with a lot of things and a lot of different looks.
Yeah.
It's good for everyday wear, probably.
Everyday wear. That looks really pretty.
Yeah, I actually liked it better than I thought I would, just looking at it in the pan.
All right, next up on my list, or in my Ipsy bag, is from Trestique. This is a mini eye pencil in Swiss chocolate.
Ooh, yum.
Swiss
Don't
chocolate.
Eat it.
I haven't used this, and it kind of looks like a little chunk was taken out. It's all right. It's all right. Let's swatch this and see. Ooh, that's a pretty brown.
Pigmented.
It's very pigmented. It's a nice little brown color. I was kind of surprised because I've been using their eyebrow pencil. It's not that good. It's not that good.
So, if you're familiar with Ipsy, you've been getting Ipsy a while, you're probably familiar with the brand Hey Honey.
Hey Honey,
they
I love
feature
this brand
a lot. I've gotten a few products from them before, and I've always been really satisfied with them, the things that they have. So this is the Come Undone Eye and Makeup Remover. I can get out my words eventually. It's for face and eye makeup, so I guess it's safe to use on your eyes.
Is it like a cream, or do you not know, or like a
I've
gel?
I've not used it yet. I would assume it's kind of like an oil, like a cleansing
an oil.
Yeah,
oh,
it's
yeah.
like a cleansing oil, sort of, and
I love cleansing oils.
Kind of maybe a little bit like a honey smell.
Yeah.
That's what's
Hey
in
Honey.
It.
Hey.
So that would be good. I think they nailed it this month because my skin's having some issues with it being winter, so focusing more on the skincare products has been great for me. So I've been really happy with my bag.
Yay! And Hey Honey is a really good brand.
Mm-hmm.
Now next up, I'm trying to open the packaging on this because I'm not sure. It may spill all out. This is from Marsk, M-A-R-S-K, Sydney, London. This is a foiled again. Looks like a pigment. We shall find out.
And it goes, this all over.
Okay, at least it's got like the little sifter thingy, so I may not be able to open this.
I've got nails if you need them. Claws.
Yeah, try to open that.
But it's a small doohickey.
If we can't open it, it's alright.
I don't want it to be half the video of me just trying
to open it.
Oh my goodness, we have results. Look at that.
Whoa. Okay. This
Look,
definitely
this was
looks
like kind of a graphite gunmetal sort of.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. I love this. Looks like it'd definitely be messy, but that is super pretty.
I like it.
Super pretty. All right. Last item.
And it's something you can actually use to apply your pigment if you want to.
Exactly. And I will take mine out of the packaging. This is the same one we got, and it's from Luxie.
Luxie!
$2.49. It is a dual-ended brush, which definitely looks like you would use this for your eyes. Looks like that would be like to get in the crease, and this is, you know, like a packer to pack on the shadow. So
I love crease brushes.
I do too. I love Luxie brushes. Every single brush I've gotten from Luxie, I have loved.
Yeah, and I like the rose gold on it. My mom really liked the rose gold on it too. Hi, Mom.
Shout out.
And she also pointed out that it sort of matches the bag too.
It does.
It's maybe a little bit darker on the handle, but
so I'm pretty pleased with my bag.
It was a
like
good
the
month.
lip.
I think
always love a brush.
I think the more that you do the matches and review your products, not only do you get points for it, but it really does help customize what you get in your bag every month.
Yeah, because I always tell them send me any and all face mask.
Mm-hmm. And you've gotten a sheet mask almost every month.
Yes, yeah, and brushes. I always tell them I love brushes. So make sure when you do those,
the algorithm definitely works. So do it.
Yeah, make sure when you do your reviews, make sure to kind of put in what you love.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, so that's our Ipsy. Hope everybody has a great Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, just a me day, however you want to celebrate it.
There's a lot of love in the world. Just look for it.
Yeah, just look for it out there. So with that, make sure you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. I know you want to. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Boop, 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 boop. And have a fabulous day. Bye.